In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini with the Bard chatbot. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to easily interact with Bard and leverage its full potential with the power of Google's Gemini technology, all while enjoying a seamless user experience. So let's jump right in and get started. First things first, you will want to go to Bard. You can simply do this by opening your web browser and navigating to the Bard homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in with your Google account. Using your Google credentials will allow you to dive straight into Bard's capabilities with ease. If you don't have a Google account yet, it only takes a few minutes to set one up, so make sure you do that before proceeding. Enter your email and password, and you'll be logged in with just a couple of clicks. Once you've signed in, you'll be happy to know that you're now up and running with the Gemini-powered Bard. Here's where the real fun begins. Gemini, Google's latest AI model, enhances Bard's performance, making it more intuitive and responsive. Whether you're using Bard for research, learning, or just satisfying your curiosity, the enhanced capabilities offered by Gemini ensure a smoother and more efficient interaction. Next, it's time to start engaging with Bard. To do this, simply type your prompt or request into the chat interface. This could be anything from a simple question to a more complex inquiry. Bard, armed with the power of Gemini, will be able to offer you detailed, accurate, and insightful responses more swiftly than ever before. Remember, clarity in your prompts will often lead to better and more refined answers. So take your time crafting your request to get the most out of Bard's capabilities. Now, as you engage with Bard, don't miss the opportunity to take advantage of all of its amazing features. Bard isn't just about providing answers. With Gemini, you can expect more features that enhance your interactive experience, like real-time data processing and tailored information specific to your needs. Learn to experiment with different prompts to see how Bard adapts its responses. You might also want to explore Bard's ability to offer suggestions, insights, or even creative ideas, all powered by the state-of-the-art Gemini technology. The more you explore, the more you'll uncover the powerhouse that Bard has become with the help of Google Gemini. That's it. You've now learned how to use Google Gemini with the Bard chatbot, creating opportunities for a more enriched and productive chatbot experience. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using Bard to get more familiar with its interface and capabilities. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to check back for more tech tips and tutorials. Enjoy your exploration with Bard and the vast potential of Google Gemini at your fingertips.